I've been working online for about a year and a half, and I didn't understand what a niche was this entire time till recently. I always had the perception that a niche is just I help X people, and that's it. I just help a group of people. And yes, that is the exact definition, but there's so much more, which I learned from this man, Charlie Morgan, done like 40 million online in his new course. And a niche can will affect every part of the business. So the funnel, the copy, the sales script, everything. And I remember hearing this a while ago on a Alex Hormozi workshop where he talked about how he switched his wording. And if you go to his website right now, his wording switched to more lifestyle businesses so that people don't feel like they're burning out. They don't feel like they have to work all the time. And he saw like a 30% increase in his funnel, which is crazy, right? For somebody that has optimized it to that degree. So recently, I've been implementing is thinking about it. Basically, I'm being like, okay, what are the beliefs? What are the fears? And walking through the average person in that niche, which will then help me modify basically everything else that I do: the content, the funnel, the community, anything. And that's really the biggest switch. Okay, bye.